You know, the presidency is very sacred. Kaya it has to be strictly, the requirements followed. You must be a citizen of this republic. When you are a natural born citizen, which is the requirement for the presidency, at the time yung pinanganak ka, lumabas ka sa womb ng nanay mo, you must be already a Filipino. Nothing can be added to that. Ngayon, kung mag-citizenship by adoption, because you're a foundling. A foundling is one yung iniiwan niya sa mga madre, sa mga simbahan. If you're a foundling, your ancestry is not. It's not obvious. It is not known kung sinong tatay nanay mo, whether they are Filipinos or not. So if you are not a natural born citizen, mahirap yan. Ako, wala akong kay Grace. As a matter of fact, anybody of you who wants to vote for Grace, po, go ahead. Ang akin lang is, my misgivings is that I do not want, I might end up electing an American president.